To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, go to Content Preferences. Here you will see the new update, Manage Topics. Tap on it. You will then see a variety of topics, such as creative arts, current affairs, and more. The slider for each topic is set to the middle position, which indicates the default setting. Now, adjust the slider to the right to see more videos related to that topic, or move it to the left to see fewer videos on that topic. Similarly, adjust the sliders for each topic based on your preferences, to see more videos on the topics you're interested in, and fewer videos on those you're less interested in. Once you've made your adjustments, tap Save in the top right corner to confirm your changes. From now on, you will see more videos related to the topics you chose to prioritize, and fewer videos related to the topics you chose to minimize. So in this way, you can manage video topics on TikTok.